Hey bro, there comes a moment when a man realizes he's done waiting to be understood, done waiting to be chosen. Because the truth is, no one is coming to fix the cracks they left in you. You either keep bleeding from them or you start building from them. This video isn't about revenge. It's not about making her regret losing you. It's about constructing a life so strong, so deeply grounded, that the version of you who once begged for attention can never exist in it again. Today, I'm going to take you through 5 phases of rebuilding, the journey from silence to power, from emptiness to purpose. Let's begin. Phase 1, the breaking ground. When you disappear, there's a void, a quiet space where you used to chase, explain, and prove. Now it's empty. And that emptiness scares most men. But not you. You stay there. Because that void, it's the starting point of every empire. You begin with what you have left, your time, your energy, your pain, and you use them differently. You stop trying to get back what left. You start creating what never existed before. Every day becomes a brick, every decision a foundation. You stop living reactively and start building intentionally. At first, it's slow. You'll question if any of this matters. But that's just the noise of the old self dying. The self who only felt alive when someone noticed him. Phase 2, the rewiring. You begin rebuilding from the inside out. You take inventory of your habits, your emotions, your beliefs. You start realizing how much of your life revolved around seeking external validation. Now, you reverse it. You work out, not to look better for her, but to feel stronger for yourself. You read, not to sound smart, but to think clearer. You plan, not because life owes you something, but because you finally owe yourself everything. You stop numbing your pain with distractions. You face it. You understand that healing isn't about forgetting. It's about remembering without breaking. And little by little, your focus returns to where it always should have been, your evolution. Phase 3, the expansion. You've been silent long enough. Now you move differently. You don't talk about your plans. You execute them. You don't tell people what you're becoming. You show them by what you no longer tolerate. Your goals shift. They're no longer built around her absence. They're built around your vision. You're no longer trying to impress anyone. You're building things that last longer than validation. A body that can't be broken easily. A mind that can't be manipulated easily. A lifestyle that feels peaceful, not performative. This is the phase where your glow-up happens quietly. No posts, no noise. Just consistency, control, and calm. And the man you're becoming, he doesn't chase, he attracts. Phase 4, the unreachable version. By now you've changed, not temporarily, permanently. Your silence has turned into strategy. Your solitude has turned into strength. And that's when they notice. She'll look at you and recognize something. The same eyes, the same voice, but a completely different energy. You're not bitter. You're beyond. You've outgrown the version of yourself she was comfortable rejecting. You're no longer accessible to the past. You've become someone she can't approach, not because you hate her, but because your peace has standards. You realize the truth. You were never meant to prove your worth to her. You were meant to outgrow the need to. Phase 5, the life beyond her. This is where everything comes full circle. You stop waiting for her to notice. You stop replaying what went wrong. Because now, it doesn't even matter. You've built something far more powerful. A life that doesn't include her and doesn't need her to feel complete. You wake up proud. You move with purpose. You speak with clarity. You're no longer chasing closure. You are the closure. You realize you didn't just survive rejection. You were redirected by it. And the man you've become, he's not the result of being loved. He's the result of being left and rising anyway. So bro, don't build to prove a point. Build because you finally learned your value doesn't depend on who sees it. Build a life so fulfilling that even if she tried to come back, she wouldn't fit in it anymore. Because the point was never to make her regret losing you. The point was to make you grateful she did.